I am a senior citizen. Someone came into my apartment and disfigured the light fixture. It is after 12 a.m. on the 23rd day of February, Sunday morning, with the intention, I believe, to cause a fire. So when it drops, a fire would be started. I'm domestically threatened by the residents in this apartment community. They come in and they tear up my apartment. They put blood in my clothing. They put blood in my iron. And this is the last. This is the last of it. By doing this, they expect that when this thing drops, that it would cause a fire. I've been here at Woodstock West by Walton for 6 years, and I've been going through criminal trespassing. Criminal trespassing for the 6 years that I've been here. They come in and they put blood in my carpet. I'm on my knees cleaning blood spots. It's racially motivated. I have to stay on my knees and call out to the Lord Jesus Christ. This is what they do. This is what they do. Call it a new form of racism, whatever you want to call it. This is ridiculous. Nothing belongs to us. It all belongs to God. They met me here, and they will leave me until the Lord Jesus Christ says it's time to leave. This is what I go through. I've been at Woodstock West by Walton in Woodstock, Georgia for over 6 years now. And from the time I moved in here, they've been coming in, stealing, vandalizing. They criminal trespass every time I leave, even with an alarm. Domestic terroristic threats continues. Help.